Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time visiting us, karibu sana. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Do what? Smash the subscribe button. And today I'm going to be showing you how to cook this delicious pasta. So to all pasta lovers, you better stick around because I'll be showing you this a great dinner hack. Let's get rolling. My ingredients today of making this delicious pasta, I'll need some pasta here. I need some green bell peppers. I need some finely chopped carrots. I need some salt to taste. I need some garlic powder. I have some royco. I have some ginger paste powder. I have some red onions. I have some tomato sauce, and I have a half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Then I have some beef broth, and onto my pan I have my thinly sliced beef and some cooking oil, of course. And as this one continues to cook, my water is for cooking pasta is almost ready, so I'm just going to put this pasta rolls in here. So this was approximately 3 cups of water. Onto my pasta I'm going to add in some salt to taste, so I just use approximately a teaspoon, and I'm going to add in some cooking oils. I'll just add in a tablespoon, so that is enough, and I'm going to let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. So my beef has been frying in the oil for some time now, and now I'm going in with my red onions. We're going to keep on stirring until our red onions have turned into almost starting to brown. So into a big bowl we're going to make this mixture. So I'm just going to add my soy sauce and tomato sauce. Any brand is going to work. So I've just added my broth. You can also use water, and I'm going to add the royco. Give this a good stir and set it aside because we are going to use it later. So my onions have started to brown, and now I'm going in with my bell peppers. I'm also going in with my garlic powder. My ginger powder. I'm going with a pinch of salt to taste, so that is okay. Finally, I'm going in with my chopped carrots. I'm going to give this a quick stir. So my beef and carrots and bell peppers are perfectly done. I'm going in with my the mixture that I had made earlier. Give it a good stir. We're going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, our pasta is still cooking. My sauce is doing great. It is simmering, and on the other side my pasta is done and perfectly. And now I'm just going to take this away, just go and strain it. So I've already strained my pasta. You can see there's no water in it, and now I'm just going to add it to my sauce. So just like that, and we're just going to give this a good stir. So please don't feel limited about the spices. Remember, cooking is an art. You can always add or remove any other ingredients. Of course, if you have substitutes, you have the results will be guaranteed. But this one is delicious, very delicious. So to all pasta lovers, it is from me to you. You will love this one. I'm going to give this a stir. And wow, look at that. It's looking very delicious, very yummy. Oh my. And now, as I let the spaghetti absorb my spices and the beef taste, I'm going to sprinkle in just a few chili bullets. So if you're a chili lover, there you go. Just add a few chili bullets in there and give this a quick stir. So we're going to let this simmer for about 2 minutes, that at least the excess broth can dry out. Then we're coming in with our last ingredients as usual, the coriander. So my pasta has been simmering for about 2 minutes now, and you can see it has lost its water. It's perfect now for consumption. I'm just going to sprinkle in my dhania, just like that, to give that extra garnish. Oh my, this is delicious. So to all pasta lover, here is the secret. Dinner is served.